COIN daily chart. You see it. This is the coin. It was up here at 275. We started featuring the breakdown right here above the 150-day moving average, buying out of the money below the market on the $200 puts. You could have bought these for $6. They hit a high this morning of $39.95. Yeah, they did. Now they're back. The last print originally was $16 on 173 contracts. Once again, join us in the live trading room. We were down 9,000 points in Bitcoin. So COIN is another big trade. They're buying the dip. Let me tell you what the low was. You got to learn that. $161 was the low. So you come over here when that hit the low and you buy the $160 call. That could have been, you buy that at $10, and now we're at $30, 30 by 34. The last print was $10.50. So you can hedge your coin bet by buying the calls against your puts. Once again, take that next big step. Crypto, you can make money in crypto coins.